Sahil permitted. Next, anyone? Santosh joined. 1218. Okay, once he joined, we will see. So, can you name this figure?
Prism.
Prism, very good. Prism, prism.
Sir, 1
Yes, Amma. Santosh permitted. Yes, apart from that, good. You are on good path. Prism comes under which segment? Listen, this figure is called orthographic projection. What is this figure?
Orthographic projection.
Idu top view amma, idu front view. 2D representation, length, height. Always front view represent length and height. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Top view always, it is front view. Top view always represent length and width. This is length, again common length, but width is different, length and width. Jagrata mamma. When two lines are parallel, it is the representation of orthographic projection. It is a representation. Chitra 5C4. I muted everyone. Okay. So it is orthographic projection. Remember, Amma. Idu important. Means unit 3 we not left completely. We are taking basic principles. This is the first thing. Next. What is this figure, Amma? What is this figure?
Isometric projection.
Isometric, very good. Anything at an angle of 30 is called isometric. My question is that it is also isometric. It is also isometric. Then what is the difference, Amma?
Apparent figure and true figure.
Idu apparent figure, itu real figure. Jagratam Amma. Here, this 40 I multiplied with 0.816. What is the value? Tell me. Every value how to multiply with isometric value just now we evaluated. Then 20 multiplied with 0.816. 30 multiplied. Please tell me. What is the value? 40 into 0.816.
32.64.
32. That's why I asked you to take around 32. 20 into 0.816. Around 16. Agree? Yes, sir. No.
Yes, sir.
That's why I asked you to take around this. 30 into 0.86. Around 24.
24.
Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Every value we multiplied. That's why this title is called isometric projection. This is called isometric projection. Projection means we taken consideration of isometric value. We taken into consideration of isometric value, but while writing, write 40 only. Don't write 32. What I am telling. 20 only. Its name itself tells that yes, everything will be multiplied with 0.816. You heard the name of circumference? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Circumference ante em chestarama? Pi తీసుకొని వచ్చేస్తారా?
Yes.
Always remember that. So that circular object, this is the methodology. Got it? My point means here every value, length, this is height, this is width, length, everything multiplied. Now here, then what is this different? No, we won't multiply anything. That's why it is called isometric view. Got it? View means
Visibility of the figure.
visibility. Observe what is there, draw chesanu. I not bothered about ISO value. I taken this as a 30, this as a 20, this as a 40. That's why isometric view figures are bigger, isometric projections are smaller. Agree? Agree? These are
Yes,
apparent lengths, these are true lengths. Always remember, there is a 1 mark question, Amma. What is the fundamental difference between the isometric projection and isometric view? Always that question will be there. You can check recently AI or AI/ML question paper or cyber security. These are the questions are mandatory, Amma. These are fundamental questions. Got it clear? What is isometric projection? What is isometric view? Don't get panic. Question chadwale, how I told, read prism or pyramid. Similarly, you should be taken into consideration. Agree? Do it?
Yes, sir.
Right. Next. So many section wise paper I will keep. Why I will keep means how much I covered, I have to know. This is the portion we covered for S5 up to that. Okay. Next title. So now you understand those three fundamental. Isometric view of planes. Note down title. Isometric view of planes. Plane means
two-dimensional object.
two-dimensional. Right. Don't do anything. Recall your thing. It is a 2D figure. Here also 2D is there, 3D is there. You may think, sir, 99% in exam 3D figure, but without knowing 2D figure, you cannot draw 3D figure. Be careful. Again, there are two principles. There are two principles. One, vertical principal plane. Vertical principal plane. Second, horizontal principal plane. Note down these two principles. Mind pettalama. Vertical principal plane, horizontal principal plane. First, I am drawing with 2D figures only. Don't get panic. I asked you to write title, isometric view of plane. Plane means 2D. Got it? Right. Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is vertical plane represent, Amma? Vertical plane represent? VP represent?
Front view.
Front view, very good. VP. Are nickname is VP, Amma. Vertical plane, principal plane in the enta chappa avasram ledu. VP. VP represent front view. Front view represent length and height. Idu mind daggara pettukovali. Jagratam. Ippade cheptunnanu. Emundi? VP represent front view represent length and height. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
These are very, very small matters. But while solving problem, it will play very vital role. HP. HP represent top view. Top view represent length and width. Agree? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
You want to mind the 90% problem solved. Don't get panic, don't get confused. Right. I will take one problem. Every time I will take one variety, one problem. Simple. Take. Draw an isometric view of simple problem. Draw an isometric view of square. Draw an isometric view of square 40 mm side. Draw an isometric view of square 40 mm side. 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 Whose 40 mm side is shown in figure. 40 mm side is shown in figure. 40 mm side is shown in figure. Full stop. Draw its. Full stop. Draw its front view and top view. Draw its front view and top view. Draw its front view and top view. Okay na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
వినండి జాగ్రత్త. One figure ఇచ్చారమ్మా. Here something is given. He is claiming how much? 40. So I am taking this 40 mm figure is given. Right. Here you can use anything. A, B, C, D. Agree? Yeah? This is the given figure. Noted down.
Yes, sir.
Question in Adiganamma. Question can you read? I forgot.
Isometric to draw top view and front view.
No, ma. First name chadu.
Isometric view.
Draw an isometric view. Jagratam chudandi. Okay. So front view, top view. He asked to draw. So there are two questions. Front view. Listen carefully. First draw horizontal line. This is rule amma. Mark 1 point. Take protractor. This is compulsory. Whatever it may be the problem, this procedure is must. 30 degree, 30 degree. Ikkad 30, ikkad 30. And these lines should be as light as possible. I don't know whether you are understanding or not. Kanpadtunda? Don't miss. You see, while I am drawing, sometimes it may be visible for you or not. But I am drawing light lines. Agree? Yeah? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Front view. What is the front view requirement, Amma?
Length and
Length and height.
Length and height. Vinnandi. Ippadu vinnandi. This acts as a length. AB acts as a length. And AD acts as a height. Agree? Agree? AB acts as a length. Okay? Okay, na?
yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay, sir.
It acts as a length. It acts as a height. Because front view. Listen. 40. Always take this 40 on one side of this. Achinda, how much I taken? I taken 30 only, but you have to measure 40. This. So this acts as a length. This is length. How much? 40. 40. Okay. Height. What I told Amma. Height vertically ne తీసుకోవాలి. Height should be vertical. Vertical means perpendicular to baseline. How much it is given, Amma? Height how much? How much?
40.
40. Take 40. Vertically. And what is the relation between these two? These two are parallel. Same parallel line. అందుకే చెప్పాను మినీ డ్రాఫ్టర్ కావాలి. Again parallel 40. Join them. See, it is A, B, C, D. ಇದು ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಅಮ್ಮ. ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ವ್ಯೂ ಲೆಂತ್ ಹೈಟ್. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir. No, sir.
Very simple. Winner. Acha. Or sometimes I will do these things in only initial stage. Afterwards, I won't do. Because here I want to clear your all doubts. Again, means both answers are correct. How many times you want to listen? You listen here carefully. It will help you people to resolve it. Who told me to take 30 on this side? No, I want to take 30 on this side. Yes, you have full freedom. 30. Instead of taking on this 30-degree line, I taken on this 30-degree line. Okay. This is A, B. But condition is vertically, amma. Perpendicular, vertical. This is also vertical with parallel relation. Idu rendu parallel, ee rendu parallel. Jagratamamma. Parallel ledante answer ledu. A, B, C, D. See, this is 30-degree line. This is 30-degree line. So what you understand, amma? What you understand by this figure? I told that 40. This is again front view. If you draw like this, full marks. If you draw like this, full marks. Nothing wrong. Means the 30-degree line is having flexibility. If you take one side length, other side should be width. But here there is no question of width. So I may take on right side or I may take on left side. It is your flexibility. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
But I always believe I, what you do, it is none of my business. I always prefer length on this 30-degree line, width on this 30-degree line. I define. I have flexibility. I can understand, but I should not get confused in future endeavor. So I will stick on to one basic policy. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Idu jagrata. Idu chuskoవాలి. Both are correct. This is 2D dimension. I use it 2D. Shall I go for next top view? Noted down.
Yes, sir.
Very simple figures. Andike cheptunnanu. Figures are very simple, amma. I am telling time to time. Only logic mind dagara pettali, and we have a lot of flexibility. No hard and fast rule, but logic. This line should be parallel to this. This line should be parallel. It should be at an angle 30. It should be at an angle 30. And it should be vertical with respect to this. This mood concept, agar if you keep in mind, problems are very simple. Next is top view. Okay. So things are very simple. It is all or 1 marks question somehow. And he will say, he will give some value, draw its front view, top view. Anyone, no need to draw both. That's why I used word or. If you draw this, okay. If you draw this, okay. It is only flexible in 2D, not in 3D. Now I am dealing. Now, again, same procedure. 30 on this side, 30 on this side. Take this. Take this value. 30. Idu compulsory rayalamma. Idu rule. And point should be same. ఇష్టం వచ్చిన పాయింట్ చేసి ఎక్కడెక్కడ లేదు, ఇది రూల్. ఈ పాయింట్ నుంచే 30 రైట్ 30 లెఫ్ట్. నౌ he told top view. What he told amma?
Top view.
Top
Top
view, what is
view.
the requirement? What is the
Length
requirement?
and width.
Length and width. Okay,
Width.
length and width. See, I will take this as a length. Now it acts as a width. Agree? Agree?
Yes, Yes, sir.
Are same figure I am reading in different context. This acts as a length. It acts as a
Width.
width. Idu width. చూడండి అమ్మా, ఏం చేయండి అమ్మా, ఇక length. I will take length on this 30-degree line. See, this is length. I will take width on this 30-degree line. ఏం చెప్పాను, length one side అయితే width. There is no question of height amma here. Because these two 30-degree lines are meant for length and width only. Getting my points? These two 30-degree lines are meant for length and width only. You cannot take height. Height is always vertical. 30. So this is A, B. How to draw parallel to this? This is parallel amma. Idu parallel 30. చూసుకుంటున్నాను, cross check. Again I will keep parallel to this 30-degree line. See, it is 30. వచ్చిందా? Okay. Once parallel లేదంటే మార్క్స్ లేదు. ఇప్పుడే చెప్తున్నాను. I'm telling time to time. A, B, C, D. Finished అమ్మా. ఇదే టాప్ వ్యూ అమ్మా. చూడండి, ఇది ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ, ఇది టాప్ వ్యూ. ఫ్రంట్ వ్యూ దగ్గర we taken height, length on any side. In ఇక్కడ if it is length, it is width. లేదు సార్, ఇది length, ఇది width. Fix one side, but I always prefer first method. Got it my point? This horizontal principal plane, it is vertical principal plane. You can name it as, these two figures are vertical principal plane. This is B figure, horizontal principal plane. Horizontal means HP. HP means top view. Top view means this figure. Vertical principal plane means front view. Front view means length and height. Note down. This is the first fundamental. Any doubts you may ask. Any doubts? Very simple, very sober methodology, but defined things. No flexibility, no variations. Condition, parallel to parallel, parallel to parallel. Idu rule. కొంచెంను తేడా వచ్చేస్తే zero. Be careful regarding that. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Take next problem. Draw the isometric view of a triangle. 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 Question chadutunara.
Yes, sir.
Projection word use chestalenamma. One time I will use word projection. I want to see your awareness. Draw the projection of a, draw the isometric view of a triangle whose front view is shown in figure. 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 One figure ఇచ్చారు. ఏం ఫిగర్ ఇచ్చారు? ఇది ఒకటి ఫిగర్. This is A, B. This length is 60. Next. this C. This height is 40. What is the given figure? Front view. This length is 20. Mathematics ravalra. Who knows mathematics? Mathematics vachestunda. I am talking to you people.
Yes, sir.
Addition subtraction amma. If you know addition subtraction, then only you can solve this problem. రాదంటే నర్సరీ ఎల్కేజీ స్కూల్ ఏమరా ఉందేంతో దగ్గర చూసుకోండి and please go and join there. Because these calculations are very much typical calculations. Now listen. This is given. But there is one rule. What is that rule? How many student knows square, cube, rectangle? What is the speciality of these three components, Amma? What is the speciality of these three components?
Sides are perpendicular.
Yes, Amma?
Sides are mutually perpendicular to each other.
Very good, Amma. Very fantastic answer. Due to these three methods, these are called isometric lines. Isometric lines means the relation between two corresponding sides should be 90 degree. Agree? The relation between you take square. ఏముందమ్మా రిలేషన్ ఇది ఇదుకు 90, ఇది ఇదుకు 90, ఇది ఇదుకు 90, ఇది ఇదుకు 90. అగ్రియా?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఒక రెక్టాంగల్ సంబంధం నీకు లెంత్ విడ్త్ నాకు సంబంధం లేదు. What is the relation between these two side 90 degree, these two side 90 degree, these two side 90 degree, these two side 90? What is the advantage, Amma? One more advantage. This side is opposite sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. These two sides are parallel. These two sides. Ide kavalamma. That's why these three components are called isometric line component. Raskondi ekkadro. Right? Whether it is an isometric component? Whether it is an isometric component?
No, sir.
No. All other components fall under non-isometric line segment. Falls under non-isometric line segment. Idu jagratam. Ikkade teda undamma. Andike pillal clear cheptanu. Square, cube, rectangle, its relation is such that its opposite sides are parallel. But apart from that, any component existing in nature falls under non-isometric. These are isometric line segment. These all are, it may be triangle, it may be pentagon, it may be hexagon, it may be circle, octagon, heptagon, nonagon, tetragon, anygon. Falls under which segment, Amma? Which segment?
Non-isometric.
Idu mind dagara pedte another 90% problem will be solved. Got it? Now, first convert this non-isometric into isometric. What is the first thing we have to do? Convert its irregularity of non-isometric into isometric. How I will convert, you see. ఇది రూల్ అమ్మా. అందుకే చెప్తాను ప్రాబ్లం చేయదు పెద్దది లేదు. ది మెథడ్స్ ఇది లైన్ కొట్టేస్తాను. ఓకే. కెన్ ఐ డ్రా ప్యారలల్ టు దిస్ లైన్ పాసింగ్ త్రూ దట్ కార్నర్?
Yes, sir.
అగ్రీయా? ఎస్ సార్. చేయొచ్చా? కెన్ ఐ డ్రా పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు దిస్ లైన్?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
కెన్ ఐ డ్రా పర్పెండిక్యులర్ టు దిస్ లైన్?
Yes, sir.
ಇದು PQRS ರಾ. Idu important amma. Now PQRS is a isometric figure. PQRS is a
Isometric.
Isometric.
agree. Yeah? This side is parallel to this. This side is parallel to this. Agree. Yeah?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
All non-isometric object, first you have to convert that into isometric segment. That is first ground rule of పిల్లలు ఎక్కడ తేడా చేస్తారంటే ఇది కావాలి. And this figure is called
Non-isometric. Non-isometric.
this figure is called
Orthographic.
orthographic projection, conversion of ortho to iso. No one asked me. No. ఏం చేస్తారో ఏం లేదురో. అరే ఆ ఫిగర్ ఎప్పుడన్నా ఐ టాట్ యూ, ఐ టోల్డ్ దట్ ఆర్థోగ్రాఫిక్ ఐసోమెట్రిక్ రిలేషన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఆర్థోగ్రాఫిక్ ఫిగర్, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఐసోమెట్రిక్ ఫిగర్ అమ్మా. ఆర్థో ఉందంటేనే ఐసో చేయొచ్చు. ఎస్
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
అండర్స్టాండ్.
Yes,
ఇది
sir.
రూల్ అమ్మా. అందుకే ఎవ్రీవేర్ వి హావ్ ఆర్థోగ్రాఫిక్ ఫిగర్ ఫస్ట్, and we are converting orthographic into isometric amma. Same thing, right? Now he himself told front view. What he told? Front view. Agree?
Yes, sir.
Agree. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
In question itself he told given figure is front view. Means he is asking to draw front view only, no top view. Now draw that line. వినండి, carefully వినండి. Problems are not tough, but understanding logic is important. Take 30-degree line. Same rule amma. Every time I will tell that student don't get panic. If you understand the fundamentals, it is very easy. Okay, this is 30-degree. This is 30-degree. Okay. Front view. First, don't bother about ABC. Na triangle sambandham led. First, carry this PQRS. Measure PQ. PQ is 60. Agree? Agree? Whatever
Yes,
it is
sir.
here, it is given 60. I drawn small figure. 16 measure cheyali. 16 ఇక్కడ తక్కువ తీసుకొస్తున్నాను. 1 2 3 4 6 50 I will take. Okay. This is length. ఏం చెప్పాను? Front view. Length into height. Now measure this. Already given 40. ఇచ్చారా లేదురా?
Yes, sir.
ఇక్కడి నుంచి parallel to this. I am taking 30 only amma, because I have space restriction. 30. Join them. Write it as PQRS. Don't write anything. First we transferred PQRS. Light తీసుకోవాలా, నాది dark వచ్చింది. Now where is AB amma? Idu AB. It is at P. It is A. This is B. C ekkadundamma? C ekkadundi? Ekkadunది?
From
the
S
line of,
20 distance.
From yes, sir. 20, sir. From yes.
From
Math-
S it is 20.
Yes, it is 20. From R it is how much?
40.
Adu
40,
నీకు mathematics నీకు రావాలి. If you want to locate C with respect to S, measure this. 20. Here I am taking 15 only because I taken 10 mm less. Okay. So this point is C. Now join A to B, B to C, C to A. Idu figure amma. Actually, to draw triangle, first I converted this non-isometric element into isometric element, and I first transferred isometric element. On that isometric element, I drawn ABC as per given condition. Idu cheyalamma. This is front view. 1 minute I will take attendance. Then I will allow you to do Note down. After this, no need to join. So those who are missed, again I will take, I not taken, I only covering fundamentals. Idu light తీసుకోండమ్మా. PQRS by mistake I drawn dark. It should be light, only triangle should be dark. How you are looking? I will call. I have continued class. I will call you after when I am free. Okay, no problem. Tomorrow we will see. Because I also have. Right, Amma. I am asking you people only how you felt after this. No need to join, Amma. చేయండి అమ్మా. ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ సింపుల్. 3D ప్రాబ్లం వచ్చేస్తుంది, బట్ 2D రావాలమ్మా. ఇక్కడ వాట్ వీఆర్ లెర్నింగ్, హౌ టు కన్వర్ట్, హౌ టు ట్రాన్స్ఫర్ టు అండర్స్టాండ్ నాన్ ఐసోమెట్రిక్ ఇంటూ ఐసోమెట్రిక్. ఓన్లీ ఇఫ్ వీ హ్యావ్ స్క్వయర్, క్యూబ్, రెక్టాంగిల్, నో నీడ్ టు వరీ. But apart from that, anything existing in nature is a non-isometric object. And there is a one question, what is the fundamental difference between isometric and non-isometric? The relation between the corresponding side should be perpendicular and parallel to each other. Then obviously that segment is called isometric. Examples are square, cube, rectangle. Apart from that, any object existing in nature falls under non-isometric segment because all the corresponding elements between the other sides are not 90 degree. చెప్పండమ్మా, ఎంత రాకపోతారో రాసుకోండి. That is left to you.
Sir, cuboid also non-isometric.
One session wind up. చెప్పు.
Cuboid, sir. Cuboid also non-isometric.
Yes, amma.
Cuboid, sir.
Can you repeat question?
Cuboid is a non-isometric, sir.
Can you repeat question?
Cuboid, sir.
Cuboid is isometric. That is isometric. Cube is isometric object.
Yes, sir. Cuboid also
Cube is
isometric.
isometric object.
Cuboid also isometric, sir.